Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your touchscreen not responding on OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Let's begin. So there are two ways to actually fixing that problem depending on what issue you exactly have. You either have problems with touchscreen responsiveness sometimes, that you click some things and you don't really see the action, or your touchscreen froze to death and you have no idea what to do. I will start with the first one because it's easier to do. We want to go into our settings, go into search bar and simply start typing touch. In here we have few different options. We are looking for two. We have in systems update system navigation, the mismatch prevention, which will prevent us to using navigation gestures, but only by default in game only. So usually you don't really have that problem. We have the same thing with input method, but for our keyboard. And lastly, in here in the accessibility and convenience, we have something called touch and hold delay. This basically means that our time to take action or time to do something is very, very long. So if we set it too long, then anything that requires us to hold will take longer to do it. So you want to make sure that this is, generally speaking, the shortest possible. And additionally, you want to make sure that you are using a legit official screen screen protector, because if you're using something cheap, then chances are the plastic is pretty bad and something bad is happening with that and you're not really doing anything proper. So yeah, that's pretty unfortunate. But anyway, that is all for the problem with general responsiveness. Now, what if your touchscreen is completely dead and you have no idea how to fix that? Well, first of all, we want to pick up our phone. We want to locate the power button and volume up button, which is the one further away from our power button. And we want to press and hold both at the same time. As you can see, we currently see the power options because our touch screen isn't really dead, but you will probably see nothing because you are frozen. So you want to keep holding until you will hear a little vibration, and that means that our OPPO is now successfully restarting, and after it's done restarting, we can use it without any problems whatsoever. And that's actually all for this video. Actually, it was really fast. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.